Uh, First of all, I want to introduce my translator, Mr. Davian, to translate my language to Indonesian to English because I'm not very fluent in English.
No problem.
Yes.
Hello, my name is Davian. I will be speaking in behalf of Naufal.
Sure.
Let's begin now.
Sure.
Oke. Perkenalkan, nama saya Noval Ahmad Siddiq sebagai produser CEO Anindostar Studio sejak tahun 2014.
Let me introduce myself. My name is Noval Ahmad Siddiq as producer and CEO of Anindostar Studio since 2014.
Kami mengucapkan terima kasih karena telah diundang dalam pertemuan ini dalam peluang kesempatan investor bersama tim Mercu dan Bu Devanshi.
We would like to thank you for inviting us to this opportunity meeting with the Mercu team and Miss Devanshi.
Oke, slide 3. Pada mulanya kami ingin menjelaskan mengenai studio kami yaitu Anindostar yang bergerak dalam bidang pengembangan film animasi, komik, dan ilustrasi di Indonesia.
First of all, I would like to explain about our studio, Anindostar, which is engaged in development of animated films, comics, and illustrations in Indonesia.
Fokus kami yaitu membawa kualitas cerita yang modern, fresh, dan modern dengan sisipan kultur lokal yang tepat untuk industri hiburan di masa depan Indonesia.
Our focus is to bring the modern, fresh stories with the local culture for the future entertainment industry in Indonesia.
Oke, next slide. Kami memiliki 6 orang tim yang berpengalaman dalam bidangnya masing-masing, terutama dalam industri kreatif.
We have a team of 6 people who are experienced in their respective fields, especially in the creative industry.
Saya sendiri sebagai CEO, produser, dan founder di Anindostar Studios.
I am the CEO and producer of Anindostar.
Pak Danang Satria sebagai art director dan sekaligus sebagai Chief Operation Officer Anindostar.
Mr. Danang Satria as art director and also Chief Operation Officer of Anindostar.
Pak Zakir sebagai ilustrator artis.
Mr. Zakir as illustrator.
Pak Raka sebagai social media spesialis dan marketing.
Mr. Raka as social media specialist and marketing.
Pak Davian sebagai senior ilustrator artis.
Mr. Davian as senior illustrator.
Pak Fikri Maulana sebagai senior graphic designer.
Fikri Maulana as senior graphic designer.
Oke, next slide. Ada beberapa permasalahan yang kami temukan dalam observasi yang dilakukan dari tahun 2014.
There are several problems we found in
Danang, I believe I lost you there.
Oke. Davian?
There are several problems we found in our observation from 2014.
Yaitu cerita dan karakter yang terlalu fokus dalam mempromosikan budaya lokal tanpa adanya pengembangan yang imajinatif dan kreatif.
Mainly, the story and the characters are too focused on promoting local culture without any imaginative and creative development.
Sehingga membuat pasar film animasi di Indonesia tidak dapat dijangkau sepenuhnya oleh industri lokal.
Which makes the animation film market in Indonesia not fully accessible to the local industry.
Kedua, kualitas rendering animasi yang dibawa rata-rata internasional.
Second, the quality of animation is below the international average.
Sedangkan pasar Indonesia sudah terdistraksi oleh film animasi internasional seperti Disney.
While the market in Indonesia has been distracted by international films such as Disney.
Ketiga, merupakan masalah krusial yang sangat sedikit sekali investor yang mau berinvestasi di industri film animasi.
Third, a crucial problem is that very few investors are willing to invest in the animation industry.
Karena membutuhkan waktu hingga beberapa tahun agar dapat balik modal.
Because it takes up to several years to see a return on investment.
Hal itulah yang membuat investor enggan untuk berinvestasi, sedangkan potensi film animasi di Indonesia merupakan salah satu yang terbesar di Asia Tenggara.
This makes investor reluctant to invest while the potential for animation in Indonesia is one of the largest in Southeast Asia.
Perbedaan kami dan mereka terdapat pada pembangunan cerita yang mengutamakan kreativitas.
The difference between us and them is to develop the story that prioritize in creativity.
Dan tidak terlalu mempromosikan budaya lokal, tetapi dapat dijadikan sebagai sisipan dengan tata letak yang tepat.
And do not overly promote local culture, but can be used with the right amount. In the right amount.
Oke, next slide. The SWOT analysis. Based on observation and research. Yang pertama yaitu kekuatan. Kita memiliki kekuatan di bidang cerita dengan karakter yang universal, fokus pada pengembangan imajinasi dalam kreativitas.
Sebentar, Noval. Wait. We have our strength. Our strength is, let me check it. Have a fresh and modern story with a universal character and focus on creativity and imagination.
The opportunities, we have a big market of audience in animation film and in Indonesia. We believe this market can be makes the main target of our animation studios. The weakness, the investor need long-term funding and or ROI, return of investment, and secondly, they need a global distribution partnership because we can only focus on distribution in local Indonesia because in Indonesia audience is distracted by outside Indonesia animation, so we have a strategy to the first we make the animation this movie to be international global distribution first, and then we can distribute in local Indonesia. That is our strategy. Our traits is backside. The traits is outside country Indonesia is open up some branch Indonesia. They other country outside Indonesia open up much of studios in Indonesia. That's our trait in Indonesia. We compete with other studios from outside Indonesia. Next, there are this is my our project Unterstein. The first character is Arlo, Alan, Dito, Baxter, Felin, and Zurok. We developed this project with future genre and futuristic technology in the next plan of Aninosta. Okay, next plan. Next, this is our synopsis. They are focused to development the main character of Arlo from this character is
You may use Indonesian.
karakter yang
I can read that. I understand that. I understood your the kind of context that you're bringing to your story, and
Okay.
definitely it makes a lot of sense. This is something that maybe Marvel Studios or let's say DC Studios have always done to kind of excite people, right? That
Yeah.
there's an apocalypse. People have to now find another planet that's habitable. So definitely that's something that every kind of a generation can relate to, because right now the kind of media that they're already getting at their disposal is something that is close to this. So I understand it, and maybe we can move ahead from the synopsis.
Okay. Next slide. This our concept art, the environment. Okay. Next. This our comic project has published in Google Books now, and we has published in Marketplace. Next. Next. This is our demographic project between I'm sorry, Davian, can you
Yes. Like,
audio?
sorry.
Okay. Um, Mike, Davian, can you
Tes
suaranya dengung? Bisa dimatiin dulu mic-nya? Oke. Our demographic project is age between 8 until 24 years old. Focus on children and teenager. The genre is mostly from male. Economic, we based on parents audience because the audience is children and teenager. So we focus to the parents economic is up to for for 4 million rupiah. The media is we have future strategy to distribute to Netflix, Disney as streaming distribution popular on this age. And we can distribute on television. Is now in this slide detailed demographic. Yeah, same as like big. Next. Yeah, this is our competitor. Our competitor analyst. Wow Animation is animation from Malaysia. We have a role model as like they, because they have a universal character, fresh story, and economic expansion to other merge games, and we have plan to build metaverse games and the Holo Sigi concert. Yeah, okay. In Malaysia too, as let's Kopek let Upinipin, because but their character is not universal. Focus on Muslim target. Same as like Little Giant Studios in these studios from Indonesia, but the character is target same as like Escopak, focus to Muslim targeted, but we are focused on universal character. Okay, next. This is our business model production. We have start 2 years production. After we have fun. And then we have to make commercial IP, distribution from to streaming online, brand partnership and virtual space. That are its development. Technology, we have to plan to development to AI technology to metaverse games and CG Holo concert is the future plan of Anindosta. Okay, next. This is investment. We need 2,467 million dollars from course Indonesian to dollars. Yeah. 65% is for operation 3 years. 1 years we have to production and post production. It makes 1 years, and the main production is need 2 years production. In to the 7 episode into 2 season.
Okay, understood. I just want to clarify one thing, Naufal. You are raising 2.5 million US dollars, correct?
Yeah, right.
Got it.
Okay. Is the investment ROI direct? The first ROI come from the movies license, and the product is put the trademark of the brand to or product from the brand to the animation in the future to maximize the ROI can be achieved in 2 until 5 years after production. And development, we have to Anindustri Entertainment to develop the Chegi Holo concert. This plan has been executed from the China and Japan. We have future strategy to make collaboration and partnership with them to bring the technology to Indonesia to apply this Chegi Holo concert and metaverse games. Okay, next. This is the investor requirement. We need the investor not just only investment, but they have an understand about our industry, animation industry. They understand. And
Understood.
yeah, then they too can working and growth with us together, because not just they put their money to us and giving us to working lonely gitu.
Sure.
But we need the investor can working together. Okay, next. This is the awards record in 2021. We achieve best digital content in Ministry of Communication Information and the comic competition. The first project of Anindustri is comic, and then we want to expansion to animation that have planned in 2014 to 2014. This is the project timing. We start production in 2025. Can be finished in 2027, and we publishing the first episode to the streaming online Netflix, Disney, and in the next year 2028 we can distribute in local studios, because the strategy of animation in Indonesia come from outside first to Indonesia, and directly distribution to local Indonesia, because the audience of Indonesia is very distracted to outside animation movies.
Makes sense.
Okay. Next. Okay, that's my explain. I'm very apologize for my English is very.
Segera dapatkan eksklusif buku komik Volterstein volume 1 dan berbagai official merchandise Volterstein hanya di Anindostri Official Store. Tersedia di berbagai marketplace pilihan.